Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see the DAX Sum and Sumx functions. I am working with the AdventureWorks 2017 data warehouse. We know in fact internet sales table, we have order quantity and sales amount, right? For a better understanding, I just updated this table using these two queries, the order quantity number, because all order quantities are one. To show you the difference between sum and sumx, I updated this. So I'll be giving these two queries in the description. You can use it. Now coming to the Power BI, I loaded the fact internet sales table and I have added two filters, the year and month and the customer key selection. And this is the table where you can see it's 2013 year and these are the months for the particular customer. And this is the order quantity and this is the sales amount for respective order. Okay. Now, coming to the sum. Sum means we know. It will sum up particular column. So let me write a measure first to use a sum function. Okay. For a better understanding, I'm giving the name of the measure itself is sum function. Sum of fact internet sales table, sales order, sales amount. Okay. To get the entire column summation, I will use function sum. Okay, let me call that function into this table. Okay. Because it is aggregating at each row level, it is giving the sum of each sale amount at the row level. And this is the total sum value. Fine. Now, let me write in another measure. Total sales amount. How will I find total sales amount? See, I have sold two products with this value. This value is giving only one product cost. 2384.07 is for a particular order quantity 1, but we have sold 2. So how will I get the total sale amount? Order quantity into sales amount, right? 2 into this sale amount 2384.07. That will give me the total sum sales amount for a particular order. So in the same way, if I want the complete sales amount, I have to calculate the order quantity into sales amount. So by using the sum function, can I do that order quantity into some sales amount? No, right? I can't call the sales amount function to do expression. So fine. So what's the other way? Sum of order quantity into sum of sales amount. So in general, basic calculation, this is how sometimes we may end up with, right? Sum of order quantity into sum of sales amount. Okay, fine. Let me put this measure and show you whether this is a correct way to calculate total sales amount. Fine. Okay, it is giving me this value. Fine. See the total? It's 38,368. So actually it is summing up the total order quantity into total sales amount. As I'm putting in a table, you may be seeing this as correct, right? 2 into 238407 is this correct? Even this row level, it's correct. But ideally, you might be using a card to get or to display total sales amount, right? Is this a correct value? No. Why? Because it has summed up the order quantity, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8 into this total sale amount, that is 4,796. So it is ending up with a different value. But sum is not the right way to calculate an expression. We have to use the SumX function. So total correct sales amount is SumX. SumX is a function to be used when we need to calculate some expressions. Okay, so let me add a new measure. Total correct sales amount equals to SumX. So SumX is a function used when you need to evaluate an expression at each row. So 1 into the sales amount, 2 into its sale amount, 3 into its sale amount, and it will calculate that value. And even when you display in a card or something, the values will be correct. So when you have to deal with any expressions at row level and you want to sum it up, use SumX. So what I'll do, fact internet sales table, that is a table, first parameter, expression, fact internet table order quantity into, I'm not calling sum of that, okay? Directly I'm at row level, it will be multiplying sales amount. Okay, let me call this measure as well. Total correct sales amount to this table and show you the value. See, 11,000 is a huge difference, right? And let me add one more card, which gives me the total correct sales amount. See, the total correct sales is 11.82, which we have calculated using the SumX function. The total sales amount is calculated based on the sum of order into sum of sales amount. But if you want only sale amount, the adding up this column is not the correct one, right? We need to multiply the order quantity into sales amount. The correct way of calculating the sales amount is order quantity into sales amount using the SumX function. So based on the requirement, you will decide whether to use sum or SumX. Hope this is useful. Thank you.